where it was said that Muslims are not allowed to tell lie, except in the case of war or except between a wife and her husband. So I would like to know.
And what?
A wife.
Malakat amanukum is the expression you're mentioning?
Lies.
Huh?
She said, I read in a hadith that we are allowed to tell lies only during the war.
Sorry.
Only during the war or between a husband and wife.
Which hadith is that?
I don't know, I would like...
To my knowledge, it is not possible for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to permit lies in any situation, while according to the Holy Quran, lies are not permitted in any situation whatsoever. Right? Except there is one verse which throws some light on this subject. It says, if somebody is coerced, is pressurized by torture to a degree where he cannot hold the pressure any longer, so then whatever he says is because of such coercion against which he had no resistance. So this situation refers to another verse, La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Allah does not require from anybody things beyond his potentials. So there, if somebody is coerced where he cannot tolerate it anymore, this verse comes to his help. Allah does not require from anybody anything beyond his potential. So after that, whatever he says, he is not responsible.
And what about to save
I'll come to
life? Or to save
after
the life?
that, whatever he says, he is not held responsible. But still Allah wants people to raise their threshold of tolerance to a level that they should never tell lies. Now, what is the question now?
What about to save our own life or the life of somebody else?
This is, to save your life is no excuse given by God anywhere. And to save the people of your own country is also no excuse. Because anyway, under torture, everyone can be compelled to say things which are taken to, which are turned to the country's disadvantage, or which provide an excuse for the person or the persons who torture to punish other fellow beings of that person, other fellow or other compatriots of that person. In every war, this has happened. Even the bravest people could not tolerate the pressure, and they began to say things which were ultimately taken to mean that this is what the people of that country want. But this is useless. This situation is that of war. And already they are committing transgressions against each other. So why to have excuse meaninglessly? And nobody can save his countrymen by lies anyway. Can you conceive of a situation other than this? You belong to France. If somebody, God forbid, tortures you to say things which are not right, and if you say them, your countrymen will be punished. What situation could that be? Only in case of wars, not otherwise. In the wars, aggression is already committed. Nobody requires an excuse. See? So what is the point in telling a lie or not telling a lie? It's just meaningless. So if you fear that they will do wrong to you, then out of the fear of your breakdown, even before that you can say, confess things which are not right. But this is not a situation which is preferred by the Quran. You should try to resist it, but if you fear you will not be able to tolerate, then you can save your skin if you like. And in that case, it will not be the best act. It will be an act which Allah may forgive. See? So lies are not permitted anyway. But some people who tell lies, they are forgiven. Some people who tell lies are not forgiven. So in such a situation, there is a likelihood that Allah is. But lies are bad anyway. Have I made myself clear now? Okay. Incidentally, have you been working all through the night before? No?
No.
But why are your eyes so tired today then?
Because I think the night before and the night before too, I was working.
The night before she was working. Like the last night.
Aha. Still the effect is
Yes.
continuing, huh?
Yes.
Good.